Hello ho ho, welcome back to Matplotlib, welcome back to Python, and welcome back to the last part of the Animate series. It's a Matplotlib series, but yeah, we have kind of the Animate series inside the Matplotlib series. And yeah, this is the last part where I animate stuff, so if you don't like the animate stuff, you can be happy because this is the last one. Yeah, nonetheless, let's dive into, because pie charts are still missing, and yeah, will be a rather short video. Let's dive in. First, as a quick reminder how pie charts work. As always, import Matplotlib, import NumPy as NP and Matplotlib as MLPLT. And of course it is pyplot. I always miss this one. Pyplot. And yeah, plt point show only as a quick reminder, because we are using pause again. And now, yeah, let's do a little pie chart like this. Let's create a NumPy array and p point random. Let's do some rand integer. As a reminder, if you want rand integers, you can say low, high, and what was the last one? Yeah, the size. But you have to name the argument size, like let's say 5. And now if we say plt point pi, and as an argument we are, using the NumPy array and click on Animate Series, you should be able to spot on the right side now our little pie chart with random values. If we run again, the values should be different and the colors also, I guess. And now what we're gonna do next is we want to animate it by using our while true loop. While true, which means it is an endless loop, and plt point pause. One second as an argument. We don't need plt point show anymore, as you can see here. Now he is changing the values by random. And yeah, so if you don't want that he is also changing the colors, let's close it. You need, like we already handled it in our tutorial regarding pie charts, black, or let's say green, blue, red, and yellow. And now he would raise an exception. We need a fifth color, like I guess light green. Oh, I got explode. Of course, we need to name our argument with colors. Yeah. Now he's staying with the same colors. Perfect. Make it a little bit smaller and move it to the right. Okay. If we want to animate stuff, we can also build a little clock with our pie charts. For that, we just need an NP array. Let's say 0 and 444. And we only need 2 colors. Okay, 0 is a little bit, it's not enough. Let's say, let's say black and white. And let's say pause 0.01. And with that, nothing interesting will happen, just based on the fact that nothing during the loop will change. So we have to change something, and this is the ankle. start angle equals, and now we are changing the kind of loop. We make a for I in range, let's say 360, and start angle equals I. And yeah, now we got a little clock. I can enlarge it so that you can see it better. Or not a clock, more like a moving one. But we can use it as a clock. Now let's make it a little bit quicker. This should be possible. Now let's start it again. It got faster. So what is also possible is we can change something like the radius. Can say, let's import random for this. You should do it in numpy random, but yeah, for this thing let's do random point random. Should give us a float, yes. And yeah, now this kind of funny thing happens. Yeah, if you want, it's pretty easily. You can use your labels and label everything by yourself. And then you can make a clock. You can make different clocks with subplots, one for seconds, one for minutes, one for hours, and one for the day. I don't know, you can do 5 or 4 subplots with that. There are many possibilities. And yeah, just wanted to cover pie charts as the last one. Pretty short video compared to the last ones. See you in the next video, hopefully. Wish you a wonderful evening, dinner time, whatever time it is in your country. See you and bye-bye. Hello, ho, ho. Yeah, someone is writing me on WhatsApp. Hello, and yeah, welcome back to another Matplotlib and Python tutorial, and I don't like the settings. Hello, is everything set? No, the microphone is too far away. Hello, ho, ho, welcome back to Matplotlib, welcome back to Python, and yeah,